Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Squidward for beginners. So first for the nose, on the bottom we're going to arch this line around and then up on the right. Moving over on the left hand side and leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll move across on the right, lining that up at the same height and replicating that. Now for the mouth, we're going to arch this line out on both sides. And then on the side, we're just going to draw in a small arch line, bringing that down towards the bottom. And then for the neck, stepping over on the right, we're just going to draw in two straight lines that come down towards the bottom of our page. Now let's move up and draw in our eyes. So we're going to start on the right hand side, coming in towards the middle, and we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the left hand side, starting underneath us, we're going to stretch this line over and then back in. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around and then down on the right. And then moving over on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. And then now coming underneath us on both sides, we're going to arch this line down towards the center. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. Now let's close off our eyes. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this line in towards our nose. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left. Coming over on both sides now, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in another arch line, bringing that around and then back up on the side. Now on both sides coming up above the mouth, we're just going to bring this line directly up towards the top. And then now let's close off the top of the head. So on the left hand side, let's arch this line around and then up. And then we're going to move over on the right and replicate that, bringing that further up towards the side on the top. And then now from here, we're going to continue to curve this line around, flattening that out as we come in towards the top. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right. On the right hand side now, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. And then again, one more time, drawing in a small curved line again. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's come up on a diagonal above that, replicating that. We're going to come over on the right, drawing in another sideways oval. And then again, as we move over on a diagonal. Let's come down on a diagonal now, replicating that. And then we're going to draw in three more over here. And that is it. That's how you draw Squidward for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.